Hey guys, I'm excited to let you know that our Feelings Toolkit is just about ready to post on our membership site. We're going to have a poster that you could have on the wall, maybe in your cool down corner or cool spot, whatever you guys call it at home or in the classroom. The poster reminds kids to check in with themselves, what they're feeling, what the intensity of those feelings is. They move on to use the strategies that I'll share with you to calm themselves down as needed, or just to keep calm. This might be something you use at the beginning of the day to set the standard of calmness in your classroom. And then finally, they're reminded to check up, see how they're feeling after they've used the strategies and what they should do next. The kit is going to have printables like this one. Let me activate the drawing toolkit or tools so I can show you how kids might use it. So for example, a child might say, I feel excited with an intensity of about 90, ignore the drawing. And because we're having a party, and also ignore the sloppy handwriting, I'm using my finger for all this, having a pizza party. And this excitement might not be allowing them to focus and get their work done in the classroom. They're just looking forward to the pizza party too much. So then after doing that, they can choose from our strategy sheet. Maybe they can take 3 deep breaths or use their calm down bottle, which we made a video about when we suggested the Moody Cow book on the Instagram video. Maybe they can stretch. Maybe they can get a drink. Maybe they can use one of the strategies that they have come up with themselves. Kids know themselves a little bit better than we give them credit for. And then finally, they assess how the strategies have worked. Now I feel excited maybe, but with an intensity of about 30 or 40, because I know the party is coming, but I also know that I won't be allowed to participate if I don't get my work done. And I want to highlight the fact that we tend to have talks about feelings and emotions with kids when something negative has happened. But this, emotions are something that are part of everyday experiences. So I think we should focus on discussing them when positive and negative feelings are coming up. Our kid is also going to have a moodometer for whole class activities, a feeling spinner in case kids are feeling adventurous and they want the universe to let them know what strategy to use to calm down. So this is just a peek into our toolkit. Keep the suggestions coming. Hopefully you get to download it as part of our membership site. If not, just give us feedback on this video and let us know anything else that you think should be included. All right, hope to hear from you soon.